Jiko Invest app pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Jiko Invest is a modern investing app that focuses on government-backed securities and safe, yield-generating accounts. Many people assume conservative investing apps charge high fees, but Jiko keeps costs straightforward. The app is free to download, and setting up an account comes at no charge. The pricing model is primarily based on the account type. For standard accounts, there are no monthly fees, and the app earns a small spread on treasury securities to cover operational costs. Premium features, such as automated reinvestment and higher yield optimization, cost per month or per year. There are no hidden fees, and you can withdraw your funds at any time. Most people get this wrong by thinking conservative investing means low returns and limited functionality. The surprising truth is that Jiko lets you grow your money efficiently while maintaining liquidity. For example, at zero of investment in government-backed notes can earn higher returns than a typical savings account, all while being fully insured. In conclusion, Jiko Invest offers transparent, low-cost investing with secure, high-yield options. Its pricing is simple, and the app's features make it an appealing choice for anyone looking to grow their money safely and efficiently.